The Department of Geology at UB leads an outstanding field camp. The course takes place over about 4 weeks and involves intensive geologic mapping and interpretation in incredible locations in the American West. In addition to being the capstone course that brings together all the classroom learning for our geology majors, field camp is a true life experience where students learn to live and work in the out of doors, to collaborate within a group setting, and to work through their difficulties and produce a product that they are proud of. Many of our alumni point to field camp as a formative experience that impacted their subsequent careers in important ways. Normally, there are about 40 students and 10 supporting staff and faculty. We are constantly working to improve the field camp experience. This year, we are focusing on safety. Our locations are in remote and rugged areas in Colorado, Utah, and Wyoming. Students work in teams of 3 to 4 on each of the week-long projects. The 2 faculty members and 3 teaching assistants carry two-way radios in order to coordinate their activities as they roam over the field areas, trying to frequently touch base with the student groups, and in order to communicate in case of a medical problem. However, despite the best efforts of the faculty and assistants, separate student groups can be relatively isolated for significant portions of a given day. And if an emergency occurs, they could have difficulty getting word to our staff. In addition, our teaching assistants and faculty have variable degrees of training in first aid. This fundraising campaign is mainly targeted at improving the situation by supporting the purchase of two-way radios so that each student group will have a radio with which they can contact staff in case of emergency, and providing Red Cross first aid and CPR training to field camp staff and faculty who are not already trained. In addition, students are trained on the use of the most fundamental of geological field tools, the Brunton compass. These are surveying quality compasses that get checked out to each student for the duration of the course. As can be expected, the compasses take a beating during field camp, and we are in need of replenishing part of our supply. Thus, this fundraising campaign also aims for 10 new Brunton compasses. How can you help? Make a donation through this crowdfunding page. Donations of any size will help us accomplish our goals of continual improvement of the field camp experience and its safety. Thank you for your support, which is critical to maintaining our long field camp tradition at UB.